What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm going to be giving you an update on Omega Digital. You know, I've been giving you weekly updates on this since the bot has been changed over to the new bot, and I'm going to let you know exactly how it's going. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. Man, I got to tell you right up front, this new bot has been doing its thing. You know, if it was not performing, I'll be right here to put it on blast, to put it on Front Street. But I have to tell you that this bot has been doing a phenomenal job. For the month of October, we ended with 20.59%. Y'all give it up, drop some fire for Omega Digital for doing their thing and getting a new bot and rectifying the situation. Look, there's things that happen in this space, but if you take the corrective action and make it happen, I got to give you the props for doing that. So when Gregory Agason and his team that actually made this happen, I want to give them a shout out for that. So I decided to leave my funds in there, let it continue to grow. You always need to have some funds in there growing for you guys. So I left my crypto in there. I think this is a good place to leave some funds in there to let it grow for you. And 20% per month, you know what? Can't really beat that, okay? So I want you guys to really take a look at this and see if it's something that you want to do. Of course, you know, I want you to do your own due diligence. Make sure you look at everything in detail to find out what's the best route for you to go, okay? Now, I'm going to go over these returns in detail so you can actually see what happened with this. So let's go and let's look at the bot earnings here. So as I click on bot earnings, you see right now it's showing 0% for the last 7 days. And this is what I'm starting the month out with at 0.022335 in Bitcoin is what I'm starting the month out with. So we're going to see what these results are actually going to look like. So I'm going to go down and look at the month of October to look at the profit and loss for October. So guys, let's see. Remember, we had that big day on October the 1st, which was 3%. I think that was really, really high, guys. That was absolutely amazing that we did get 3% that day. The only losing day that I remember was on October the 5th, where we're at negative 0.4%, but that wasn't bad. Every other day was a gaining day, which was incredible. And I think we did have the biggest day that I've seen from one of these platforms, which was 3.44% in one day. That was on October the 22nd. And that was incredible, guys. Like 3.44% returns is good. And then had a strong day on the 29th. And so that's a total return of 20.59%. It's not too shabby, guys. Really like that. So that's incredible. I'm going to see what the bot does. You know, we have the 1st and the 15th in which we can actually go in and withdraw from the bot. So that's how that is working now. So you can decide if on the 15th, if you want to go in and you want to withdraw some of your principal or some of your profit out, you can actually do that. So that's what I like about the Omega Digital program, is that it does allow you to withdraw principal and profit. So I like that, and I'm going to keep monitoring this program to see how it's performing and then make my decisions from there. But right now I'm winning with it, so I'm going to continue to let it win for me. Okay, I love passive income. I love making sure that we're getting those things. So that's exciting, guys. I want you guys to really take a look at all the programs that we have to see which one is the best for you. As you know, I try to pick out the very best programs with the best potential, but always I want you to do your own due diligence and find the programs that are going to work the best for you, guys. So I want you guys to do that for me if you can. That'll be absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to continue to drop fire for you as much as I can. My goal is to do it every day, if not every day, every other day. And we're going to make sure we get that content out there for you so that you can make the best decisions in the crypto space. As always, guys, you know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. And you know that we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out.